Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. If you're an oldies but goodies, welcome back. On this channel, we focus on skincare using natural ingredients. We also focus on lifestyle and we also focus on health, taking care of yourself to make yourself not only look beautiful but also healthy. Now, as we age, our skin tends to lose its elasticity and its firmness. All of this is due because of the collagen. Now, what is collagen? It is a form of a protein that are the primary structural components of connective tissue such as cartilage and the skin. And this substance makes up about 2/3 of the protein in the human body. Now, when you age, this production of collagen slow down, and that is how you tend to get wrinkles and fine lines and also sagging skin. So we cannot really stop the aging process. However, what we can do, we can try to slow it down a bit. You can go ahead, you can do supplement, collagen boosting supplement, powders. There's so many things out there on the market, but when it comes on to topically on the skin, you need to find a good facial oil, facial moisturizer, or facial cream that contains vitamin A. Vitamin A is the most effective vitamin in reducing wrinkles and fine lines and also to boost back the collagen production in the skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share an oil that is rich in vitamin A, rich in vitamin C, and rich in vitamin E. This is an anti-aging facial oil that you can apply on your skin, especially at night, and wake up with beautiful glowing skin. And if you use it on the regular, you're on your way for reversing the sign of aging on the skin. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this natural anti-aging facial oil, follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you my recipe, and I will also show you at the end of the video how to use it on your skin for best results. Our first ingredient is avocado oil, and we're using avocado oil because it contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. Avocado oil also contains the electrolytes magnesium, potassium, and sodium. Avocado oil will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, smooth the skin, help to boost the collagen production while hydrating the skin for a soft, supple, younger looking skin. So I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the avocado oil. Let's pour this in. 1 tablespoon, and we're using the avocado oil as our base oil. Now our next anti-aging facial oil is rosehip oil, and rosehip oil also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Rosehip oil will help to nourish the skin, help to boost the collagen production in the skin. It's an oil that will penetrate the epidermis. It will help to plump that skin up, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and also leave the skin younger, fresher, and supple looking. So I'm going to use about a 1/2 teaspoon of the rosehip oil. I'm just eyeballing that, and we are gonna move on. As I said, guys, just a 3 ingredient. Our next ingredient is a vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil will hydrate the skin, nourish the skin. It will lock that moisture in the skin and keep your skin soft, supple, and younger looking. We're also using the vitamin E oil as a preservative in this recipe. So I'm using 1 capsule of vitamin E oil, and this is 1000 IU natural vitamin E oil. So I'm going to use the entire thing, which is about a 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So we're just squeezing this in, just emptying a vitamin E oil shell. Now once this is done, we're just going to blend the 3 oils together. And we're blending well, completely dissolve the 3 oils. And this, guys, is your anti-aging facial oil. However, guys, I have an optional ingredient, and here I have some squalene oil. Squalene oil is also an amazing oil to use on your skin for younger looking skin. It contains vitamin E, it also contains vitamin A, and it do have a bit of a vitamin C. So I'm just going to pump about a quarter teaspoon of the squalene oil in this. It's optional. If you do not have squalene oil, you can use papaya seed oil, you can use CACAY oil, you can also choose to use MARULA oil to replace the squalene in this recipe. And now we are blending, and here we have our anti-aging facial oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this in my little container right here. You can choose to store yours in any small container that you have. And this is it, guys, your natural anti-aging facial oil, loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It is also rich in electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, and sodium. And this will help to have your skin looking younger once used on a regular. It will help to boost collagen, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, hydrates the skin. It will also help to get rid of spots and blemishes on the skin. So now I'm going to go on the other side and show you how to use this amazing oil on your skin for best result. So here we have our facial oil, and let me open it. And for this facial oil, guys, you really do not need a lot. All you need is about 2 to 3 drops of the facial oil, making this small amount at least a month supply. And that is 2 to 3 drops of the facial oil. And there it is, guys. So now I'm just going to take it. What I'm going to do is just simply to warm the oil in my hands. So just warm the oil in your hands, guys, and then just press it on the skin. Now what we're going to be doing with this oil, for it to be most effective, we're using it as a facial massaging oil. So press the oil in the skin. And when you're pressing this oil in the skin, use your fingers, guys, and just press it in. What you're also doing is boosting circulation in the skin. And when you boost the circulation, when you plump the skin up, this is going to get the production of collagen to actually work better in the skin. So totally massage your face with this oil. And once you're done, guys, you're gonna leave this on your skin overnight and wake up in the morning, rinse your face or wash your face doing your regular morning skincare routine. Now use this every night on your skin, guys, and you can use this atop of your facial moisturizer, or you can use it directly on clean skin or right on top of your facial toner. However, guys, just give it a go. Use it as often as you wish, and before you know it, you're on your way to younger, wrinkle-free, firmer looking skin. Another tip, guys, is that you can actually take a drop of this and add it to your favorite moisturizer. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, leave your comment. Those are always welcome. And if this was your first time, guys, be a part of our family by subscribing. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.